Hi everyone, this is Teacher Ness. You can call me Ness as well, whichever you prefer. I've been teaching English for several years now. So I started teaching English for beginners and then advanced English and then business English for young professionals. I've handled different nationalities like Chinese, Koreans, Japanese, Indonesians, Arabians, and very soon I will be starting teaching English for Spanish students. So I invite you all to attend to my upcoming classes depending on your needs like group classes, online. I can tailor fit our curriculum as well depending on your choices because there are some cases that the students is so busy. So I normally give them 10 to 15 minutes speaking classes while they are going to work or going back home. It's really a lot of fun. And also, this is only my part time because I'm working as a full time in a private company. So I enjoy teaching English, and hopefully, you will also enjoy my company in this journey of learning and improving your communication skills in English. I also do teaching public speaking. Okay, so you can give me a message, and after this video you will see my credentials and also my little accomplishments all throughout the years that I've been teaching English. And also, if you are not comfortable with me, I also have a partner. He is actually an Ecuadorian. He was born in US, United States, and then he is a multiple language speaker. He knows how to speak French, Spanish, Greek, Latin, Italian. So if you're not comfortable with me, I can also recommend my business partner in teaching you English or Spanish, whichever language you may prefer. Okay? So, hope to see you for my upcoming classes. Thank you. Bye.